Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lynn. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to dress up or dress down your outfits. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification, sweetie, so you don't miss any fashion, beauty, or lifestyle videos. Hey girlies, so I'm just trying to show you guys how to put together an outfit by dressing it up or dressing it down for any event. That includes showing you handbags to put with it, jewelry, such as these pieces right here. So we turned this simple black dress up a notch with the heels, strappy heels, and the black purse. So this next outfit is very cute and simple. We're just gonna throw on this top, distressed fashionable top, and pair it with some shoes. Now we pop this outfit up by adding a different top, very dressy top, and some heels and a nice bag that complements the outfit. I feel like jewelry, bags, shoes, all that really ties into the outfit, so pay attention to detail. Now let's switch the bottoms to add a different touch. I threw on some black shorties just to see what look it'll give, and it still looks really nice. I feel like the grays and blacks really complement each other. Here I'm showing you guys how to spice up this graphic tee from FashionNova by tying a knot in the front just to add a touch of detail.
I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Way I'm stunned up till I die. You can do what you wanna.
Let's spice this outfit up. So I changed the top and threw on this sexy top from FashionNova, and I got this purse, and I also have it in orange, and I'll say use orange. Add that pop of color, it'll really make a difference. Throw on some heels, some different jewelry, and girl, you got you an outfit. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please comment down below what outfit you like the most, what you would change about an outfit, what would you add. I will say staple items such as jewelry and handbags go a long way, or staple jeans, shorts, or a dress that you have. You can always dress it up, dress it down. So please let me know down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and be ready for the next video coming out. If you do like videos like this, please let me know in the comments down below as well, because I do have a part 2 coming out. So I'll talk to you guys later, and have a good one. Bye.